Hi friends, welcome to Storytime on the Back Porch. I'm Lisa with Lila and Lucy, and today we have a story about something that Lila is very afraid of, and that would be thunderstorms. Now somebody else in this story is very afraid of storms too. Let's find out who. This is Stormy Night by Salina Yoon.
One stormy night, Bear couldn't sleep. The wind was whirling, the trees were crackling, and the rain was pounding against the windows.
"Don't worry," said Bear. "I'll hold you tight. I'll keep you warm. My love will keep you safe from the storm."
He sang to his bunny Floppy. Bear felt better. But when a thundering sound rumbled through the forest, it startled Bear. He sang his song again. Mama came in to check on Bear. "May I stay with you tonight? I'm so frightened by the storm." Bear was glad to see Mama. He kissed Mama's nose to comfort her. Mama smiled. Bear felt better. Then Papa came in to check on Bear. "Is there room for me? The storm is so loud tonight." Bear was glad to see Papa. He tickled Papa's ear to comfort him. "Papa!" Papa laughed, and Bear felt better.
"But what will make Floppy feel better?"
thought Bear.
"I know. A book."
This is a very good book. Bear almost forgot about the storm until... Boom! A loud crashing sound of thunder roared through the forest. Bear shut his eyes tight. Mama kissed his nose, and Papa tickled his ear. Ha 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 ha! Mama sang to Bear, just like she did when he was a little cub. "We'll hold you tight, we'll keep you warm. Our love will keep you safe from the storm." Bear felt better. Bear yawned a sleepy yawn, and then it was quiet.
"What happened to the storm?"
"Even storms need their sleep," said Papa. And so do bears.
So see, Lila, you're not the only one afraid of storms. Bear is afraid of storms too. Today's story, Stormy Night. So glad you could join us today. Hope you'll join us for another story. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.